subject to a comprehensive bare metal restoration being completed in early 2023. Desirable home market example boasting matching chassis, engine and gearbox numbers, one of just 3,718 produced. With only 11 road-going Atlantic Convertibles known to the Austin Counties Club, winner of the Best in Show at the prestigious Thoresby Hall Classic Car Show 2023. Only 3 private owners from new with previous ownership for some 50 years, a very rare opportunity to acquire a freshly restored and show-winning example.